My friends and I are making batches of chocolate chip cookies to pass out at the senior center. We have a huge bag of bulk chocolate chips. We know how much we need to make one batch, but I need to find out how many batches of cookies we can make in all. I can use division to figure out how many batches of cookies we can make based on the amount of chocolate chips we have. The question is, how many batches of cookies can we make with 281.4 ounces of chocolate chips? How can we use division to determine the number of batches of cookies that we can make? Right! We can divide the ingredients we already have by the amount of an ingredient needed to make one batch of cookies. Let's look at the amount of chocolate chips we have. We have 281.4 ounces of chocolate chips. For each batch, we need 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Now, if I divide what we need per batch into what we have, I can see how many batches of cookies I can make with 281.4 ounces of chocolate chips. I can write my problem as 281.4 ounces divided by 12 ounces per batch. I'll use long division to solve this problem. I will need a dividend and a divisor. The 281.4 ounces I have will be my dividend, and the 12 ounces I need per batch will be my divisor. Then I can divide 281.4 by 12. Divide 12 into the first digit of 281.4. Since 12 doesn't divide into 2, move to the right and try dividing 12 into 28. Since 12 goes into 28 two times, write a 2 over the 8. Subtract the product of 2 and 12 from 28. 28 minus 24 equals 4. Bring down a 1 from the ones place and divide 12 into 41. Since 12 goes into 41 3 times, we write a 3 over the 1. Subtract the product of 3 and 12 from 41. 41 minus 36 equals 5. Bring down a 4 from the tens place and divide 12 into 54. Since 12 goes into 54 4 times, we write a 4 over the 4. The decimal in the quotient is written directly over the decimal in the dividend. Subtract the product of 4 and 12 from 54. 54 minus 48 equals 6. I then add a 0 next to the 4 in the dividend, which does not change either number, and I bring that down next to the 6. Since 12 goes into 60 5 times, we write a 5 over the 0, and there is no remainder. I have enough chocolate chips to make 23.45 batches of cookies. I can quickly check my result by multiplying 23 and 45 hundredths by 12, which equals 281 and 4 tenths, and that is correct. My long division helped me figure out that we can make 23 batches of cookies with the chocolate chips we have. That's a lot of cookies. I hope my friends get here soon.